Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links to your YouTube Shorts. If you're looking to monetize your content with affiliate marketing, this is a super easy way to do it, even with Shorts. Let's get started. So, first things first, you'll need an affiliate link. This could be from Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, or any other affiliate platform you're part of. Now, open up YouTube Studio by going to studio.youtube.com. Click on Content from the left sidebar and find the Shorts video you want to edit. Hover over the video and click the pencil icon to go into video details. Now scroll down to the description box. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. You can write a short call to action, like, check out this product here, your affiliate link. Just make sure to disclose it by adding something like, this is an affiliate link. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That's important to stay compliant with YouTube's and the FTC's guidelines. You can also add multiple links if you're promoting more than one product. Just keep the description clean and easy to read. When you're done, scroll up and click Save. Now let's test it. Open the short in the YouTube mobile app or on desktop. Tap the More arrow under the video title, and you'll see your affiliate link right there in the expanded description. And remember, links don't work in the title or comments. They only work in the description. And that's it. You've now added affiliate links to your shorts. Super simple and a great way to earn some extra income from your content. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.